Ramp entrance, unraveling the meaning. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, ramp entrance. This might seem like a simple expression, but it's packed with meaning and is widely used in everyday English. So, let's dive in and understand what ramp entrance really means. Firstly, let's break down the phrase. The word ramp refers to a sloping surface connecting two different levels. It's like a bridge that makes it easier to move from a lower to a higher surface, or vice versa, especially for wheelchairs, carts, or vehicles. Ramps are an essential part of modern infrastructure, promoting accessibility and convenience. Next, let's look at the word entrance. An entrance is a point of entry or access to a space, like a building, a room, or an enclosed area. It's where you begin your journey into a new space. Entrances can be doors, gates, or any opening that allows you to enter. Now, combining these two words, ramp entrance typically refers to an entryway that is accessed via a ramp. This term is often used in contexts where accessibility is crucial, such as in public buildings, hospitals, or shopping centers. It indicates that the entrance is wheelchair-friendly and accessible to everyone, regardless of their mobility. The concept of a ramp entrance is vital in our society. It represents inclusivity and consideration for people with disabilities. By understanding and using this term correctly, we can be more aware of the needs of others and contribute to a more inclusive and accessible world. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and significance of ramp entrance. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about understanding the world around us and connecting with each other. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful language learning videos.